Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So last year I got a piece of a cutting of this Peggy Martin rose. Um, it's a climbing rose. I stuck it in this pot, which is, I think this is where my stevia is, and it's been growing. So I needed to figure out where I'll plant it. I also have another one from a few months ago, stuck it in here with the raspberries that I now need to figure out where to plant. So I have a few climbing plants in my garden, and I want to try these in this small raised bed here. I also wanted to use what I already have. I didn't want to buy a new trellis for them or make a new trellis. So I already have these temporary trellises. So I want to go ahead and plant one in here and then plant another one in that bed over there. I don't know how well they'll do, but let's just see how it goes for this season. So I'll put one in here and let it grow on this side of the fence, and I'll anchor the trellises using these galvanized tube straps. Like I said, I wanted to use what I already have. If it works, great. If it doesn't, I'll think about how to fix that after this gardening season is over. So to planting it, I'll add this Bio Advanced Rose and Flower Care 3-in-1. It's a fertilizer, insect control, and also disease control. And I'll also add some regular 10-10-10 fertilizer. So let's go ahead and see how I'll put this together. Okay. Okay, I've done putting the trellis on the fence. There are 2 screws holding it, and then the braces are on the side. These other ones, I just used a screw to anchor it to this panel right here, same as this one. There's a screw here. This is the main trellis, so I needed to make sure that this one is really strong. Okay, on to planting. Oh, and I've done the same with the other side. I've already put it together. So on to planting. Okay, I'm done. This is the first one. So this was the piece that I started with, and it's grown in the past year to all these lateral shoots. Okay, step back. The goal is for it to fill this area right here. The other one, the small one, is back here. See, this is the piece that I started with. Okay. All right. Okay, I'll stop right here, and I'll come back in a few weeks and show the progress as they acclimate into the new soil. We'll see how they do over the summertime, and hopefully they survive. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.